Are you looking to shop smart and save big? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best drop coupons, promo codes, and discounts, so you can enjoy incredible savings on your favorite products. Whether you're looking for quality gear, tech, or something special, I've got the perfect guide for you. Step 1. Start by visiting Promosaver.net, a trusted platform for the latest and most exclusive discount codes. I've made it easy for you by adding the link in the description and comments below this video. Simply click and get ready to unlock unbeatable offers. Step 2. Browse through the wide selection of available promo codes and choose the best one for your needs. Whether it's for lifestyle products, tech gadgets, or fashion, you'll find a code that suits you perfectly. Don't worry, I'll help you find the best discount for maximum savings. Step 3. Once you've selected your ideal promo code, apply it during checkout when making your purchase. Watch as your total drops and enjoy the massive discounts right away. Don't wait any longer. Watch this video, grab your promo code, and start saving today. It's time to shop the smart way and make your purchases go further. Happy shopping and enjoy the savings.